Hey, I'm going to take you through briefly what an online session with me looks like, just the general logistics of how things run, both with the somatic womb session as well as the energetic session. So with your somatic womb session, the whole duration of the appointment, so that's about 90 to 120 minutes, so 1.5 to 2 hours, is on video call. It is online, it is in the comfort of your own home, and we go through a guided coaching session, a somatic embodiment session that takes you specifically through self-inquiry, both through the physical body, but also the other metaphysical aspects, such as your mental, emotional, energetic bodies as well. The whole session is a co-creative experience. We go back and forth together. I get you to drop in and guide you through voice prompts through majority of the session. I can also take you through very specific journeys, such as a body scan or a body inquiry. We can go through a very specific feeling, for example, that you're feeling, even if you're not really sure what it is. You might have like just a heaviness in your chest, or you might have this sense of anger or rage that you want to explore and process through and release. That is what we would do in a 90-minute to 2-hour session within the somatic womb session. And it's all linked to the womb portal and anchored in the essence of your womb medicine. Whether you have a womb or not, we're working with the womb space and the energetics behind that, the femininity within the womb. Then we have our energetic session, which is essentially a distant Reiki session with bonus add-ons of a video call debrief afterwards and a personalized PDF summary with some recommendations and free practices that I feel align best with you at that point in time. So with the energetic session, the first 30 to 45 minutes is your distant Reiki session. This is off call. We're not on a call at that point, but at that point in time, whatever time you've scheduled for the appointment, you will start nesting. You will start laying back in whichever way you like to. You might want to brew a tea, you might want to lay down, you might want to have some candles, you might want to meditate, put some music on, and you're just going to lay there and experience for 30 to 45 minutes, keeping your inbox open and your notifications on, or setting even just a 30-minute timer to check. And then from that 30 to 45 minute session off call, I will then email you or text you, so you'll get your notification saying that the energetic aspect, the Reiki distant healing session is over and we're going to meet on call. You have like a 5 to 10 minute buffer there to get your things ready. You can email me back and be like, yep, I'm ready. We meet on call via Zoom typically. And then from there, we meet on the call, we go through the Reiki debrief, we go through a card reading, we go through an energetic reading of where we feel you're at right now. We have a very co-creative back and forth discussion. And from there, I then send you your personalized summary, your personalized PDF with all the notes taken from our debrief, as well as any somatic embodiment practices or any recommendations and practices, rituals that I would recommend I feel land for you at that point in time that would benefit you and your growth. So that is essentially how both sessions work. We have the energetic session, where we have the first 30 to 45 minutes off call and then the rest of the session on call. Then we have our somatic womb session, which is completely on call and guided by me. I hope that clarifies everything, gives you a greater sense of how it all works logistically. And if you have any more questions, of course, you can ask away in the comments below or message me directly through email.